Hello everyone. Today we are interfacing relay with LPC2148 IC. Let's do first. Let's create project on Keil first. Let's open Keil. Go to the project, new project. Then choose the desktop or any other folder, and then create here folder called relay. So you should remember which program in which folder. Relay with LPC2148. Save. Then here you should give the controller name. In our case, our controller is LPC2148. Then press OK. And here you should press yes. Then after that you should click on plus icon and again plus icon. Then right click on source group 1. Then add a new file. Then select here C file and give the here file name. Example I am giving like a relay. Then add. Then here is our file is added. Now this is our program. Here just need 4. Here is simple program to just toggle the port with the delay. Now how to compile this program? For that go to the here option build or press F7. Here program is compiled without any error, and that is our program. It is just toggling the one port, and then other option is just right click here source group 1 and build target to compile the code. Now you can able to see our program is compiled but is not generated any hex file. How to generate hex file? To go to the option here, option for target, then output, and then click here create hex file. Then press OK, and then once again you have to compile the project. Then right click build target, and now you can able to see creating hex file. Let's see our file is created or not. Relay in that folder you can able to see here is our hex file which is created by the Keil software. Now our one part is done, and now let's simulate a project using Proteus 8. Click here new project, give the name here. I am giving name like relay, and path. Now I am selecting same path as a desktop because it is easy to remember both the schematic and Keil program at the same folder. It is helpful, easy to find out. Then click here next, then again click here next, and we don't want to create PCB, so it's already said do not create PCB. And here you should create firmware. And yes, if you don't have a software, you just click on the I button and get the software. Our family is ARM7, controller is LPC2148, but in Proteus you can use thread also. It is quite similar. And compiler is using, now we are using Gen for ARM for this project. It is sufficient. Then click and then finish. Here is our coding window, and here is our schematic. Now let's add some components there. our circuit is ready, and we need to add here code. Here we have two choices. We can compile program itself in Proteus, or we can give the hex file which is we already created in the desktop using Keil. This is our hex file. Now I am opening. Uh, Assume let's example we are using code from here. Let's first we do the same program using itself in Proteus. As now you can able to see there here is star icon. It says that program is not saved. How to save the program? Just click here and it is saved. Now how to compile program in Proteus? As you can able to see, here is icon build project or build project. Here you can able to see comparison is successfully done and we not get any error. Now after compiling the project, it's automatically created hex file. So we don't need to give the location of the program file or hex file again. Now let's check by double clicking in the here. As you can able to see program file, it is automatically created the default EIF file. That is our main program file, which is automatically created by just compiling this project. Now let's run project. How to run? As you can able to see here, run simulation. It just on off program. Latch, unlatch, latch, unlatch, on off. Both are running perfectly well. Now let's do some changes. Here is our main program. Now I am closing this and giving a file program file location which we created using Keil. It is on optional. You can use anyone Keil or this Proteus. I preferred Keil because it is very simple. Program is there and schematic is there, but sometimes some programs are not able to run perfectly well. Now checking once again, here is okay. Now runs again. As you can able to see, our program is running successfully without any error.